Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for softer skin? This awesome product from Kosh Naturals is a great hyaluronic acid that has so many great ingredients, and it feels awesome on my face. As I get older, I notice that I really want to have products that will feel like they last all day, and that's exactly what I get out of this serum. The serum, in addition to that hyaluronic acid, it has vitamins B, C, and E, as well as aloe vera and green tea. So it really has some nice products that feel great on your skin. It does not have a fragrance, so it's fragrance free and non-irritating for my skin, and you get a generous amount with this 1 fluid ounce bottle. The dropper works really good so that you get enough products and you can place it on your skin. I put this on underneath my moisturizer and then underneath my foundation, and my skin feels great with it all day. If you're looking for something that's going to help you feel that it's helping you with anti-aging and providing lots of moisture, especially in cold, drier months, you will love this product. But that's just my point of view.